Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today we're diving into an intriguing topic, sports cars and safety. Now, when we think of sports cars, we often envision speed demons tearing up the track, but safety? That might not be the first thing that comes to mind. However, with advancements in automotive technology, many sports cars are achieving top-notch safety ratings. So, let's explore which ones are leading the pack in terms of safety. Before we jump into the specifics, let's talk about crash tests. These tests are conducted by organizations like the Insurance Institute for Highway Safety, IOHS, and the National Highway Traffic Safety Administration, NHTSA, to evaluate how well vehicles protect occupants in various crash scenarios. They assess factors like frontal impact, side impact, rollover resistance, and more. Now, let's take a look at some of the top-performing sports cars in terms of safety ratings. Keep in mind that these ratings are based on rigorous crash tests and evaluations. The earned a top safety pick from the IEHS thanks to its robust structure and advanced safety features such as. Meanwhile, the impressed both the NAQHS and the NHTSA with its exceptional crash test performance and comprehensive safety suite. But safety goes beyond crash test ratings. Many sports cars now come equipped with advanced driver assistance systems, ADAS, such as lane departure warning, automatic emergency braking, and adaptive cruise control, all of which contribute to preventing accidents and keeping occupants safe. We've seen a significant shift in the automotive industry towards prioritizing safety in sports cars. Manufacturers are integrating cutting-edge technology and innovative engineering to ensure that high-performance vehicles are also among the safest on the road. So, whether you're a speed enthusiast or simply want peace of mind on the road, there are plenty of options when it comes to safe sports cars. Be sure to do your research, test drive different models, and prioritize the safe features that matter most to you.